Okay, I'm gonna start with adding some olive oil. You could use any plant-based oil. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm gonna add 1 crushed garlic. We're gonna add 1 cup of fine beans and 1 cup of carrot, roughly chopped. We're gonna add grated fresh coconut. So we're gonna mix it well together. I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. I'm gonna add little sea salt, so roughly 1/2 teaspoon. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. That's 1 teaspoon altogether. You could use cayenne pepper, or you could use 1/2 teaspoon, depends how spicy you like your curry. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of curry powder. It's optional. This curry is served as a mild dish, so you don't need too many spices. A simple curry. So we're going to cook this for 15 minutes all together. I'm going to put a lid on for 15 minutes, and curry should be done by then. Okay, 15 minutes later, we got nearly cooked beans and carrot. Okay, the vegetable is nicely cooked. You don't want to overcook it because they might go soggy. This is a nice crunchy texture you want. The carrot and beans are nicely cooked, and this is what we want. We don't want to overcook it, so this is the right texture we're looking for. It goes quite well with rice, but you could also try with flat bread. Depends on your preference. I'm gonna garnish this with some coriander.